As a Fulbrighter, I was placed on this island in the first place. So this island is off the coast of Sulawesi. The people there are kind of special. They can dive on a single breath to depths of 70 feet. They can remain submerged for 5 minutes. They can see twice as well as us. They have spleens 10% bigger than ours that dump oxygen-rich hemoglobin into their bloodstream during apnea dives, and they need to do this to access their protein sources because they are seafaring nomads that live on houseboats of their own construction until we started sedentarizing them. About 10 years ago, about 100 people were moved to land and moved out of movement so they could be afforded schooling. What learning is being sacrificed and what learning is being gained as they make the shift? How are they transferring and adapting their cultural knowledge from a life on the sea to a life on the land? And for the teachers that are brought in from afar, how are they unpacking their implicit biases, navigating the identities that they hold and those of their students, and trying to engage them in ways that are relevant and that sustain their cultural knowledges and their practices? In Indonesia and Aceh, what I saw is this movement towards using test scores at the international level and having access to college, all these things we talk about, but often it's a particular subset of ways of knowing and things that are important to know about. And teaching it is often disruptive and displacing and marginalizing and threatening with extinction other things that people knew and did. I took the ethnography and participant observation course with Amina Tawasio. She happens to be Tausug, so she's from an island that's very near here. And she conducted fieldwork in Iran. So getting into the understanding of how to ethically engage in this sort of work. I'm really interested in models that move people like me to other cultures without helping them do the identity work that I think is really important if we want to make sure that we're not destroying but rather sustaining cultures.